Guys, nakikita niyo itong bagong exclusive avatar na to? Did you know you won't find this exclusive outfit in the store or in crates? Special shipment, Gorilla. Guess what guys? May papakita ko sa inyo. 3, 2, 1 and go. Wow! Bago. Since na guys, kung masyadong mababa yung coins ko, ginastos ko na kasi guys para 47, pati din ito. Ayan pala guys. Kala ko tinubog ko. Yun lang. Salamat sa panonood.